Well, you look fabulous, my darling. And who's your hot date?
This is my hot husband.
Okay.
Yes.
American model and actress Courtney Stodden looked stunning wearing a golden dress complimented by... Oh, does it really matter what it was complimented by? She looks hot in any gown, so just take a look at her interview and give us your thoughts on what she said, which is a lot. So if you're a Courtney Stodden fan or wish to know who Courtney Stodden is, then subscribe to Hollywood CIA and find out.
What up, Courtney?
Hello, how are you?
You remember us, don't you?
Yes.
Oh, that makes you feel good. That's worth it, Doug.
Life is rough,
There you go.
Oh, the real kiss.
Oh, that's
I like
better.
that.
One more time. There
Woo, yeah. Wow. Now, who put together your outfit?
Avi Hakim did. He's awesome.